It's been a while.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. Hey, guys.
Hey, hello. Take two.
Welcome back. We are going to make a new recipe. What are we making today,
We are
Karen?
making recipes. We're in this fat bomb mode. And
Get your fat bomb.
Get your fat bomb on. And we are doing sort of a cream cheese fat bomb series.
Sounds delicious.
Okay. So here we go. This is called the raspberry cream cheese fat bomb.
That sounds delicious. Sounds really good.
Okay. So nothing stops here at the Berg house, but Yolanda, it's okay.
Oh, yeah, we're good.
Okay. Well, clearly she runs this house, not us. So we're just gonna
Keep going.
we're gonna keep going with the cream cheese blackberry fat bomb. So try it.
Yeah,
But
let's see.
what I like about it is that there's two layers. There's like a raspberry and then there's a lemon cream. It's lovely.
It's light.
Yes. You know, with these fat bombs, I find that the the flavor is the nicest when they're not rock hard.
Yeah.
When they're just a little thawed. But
Let's put it in the fridge.
yeah, but with the cream cheese, I'm not gonna lie. Not gonna
Don't
lie.
lie, Karen.
Not gonna be a liar. That it can be then kind of super soft, like mushy. So
If it's super soft, it's super soft. It's super easy, right?
super simple.
Ah.
Do you have
Right.
any
Really good.
words of nutritional advice with these things?
Well, this is a combination of raspberry and lemon. That is the exact flavor of the electrolyte powder, Karen. So that's why I like it so
Hey.
much.
That's right. I didn't think
So
of that.
this is good. This is good. So,
And when do you eat it, Eric?
well, here's the thing, Karen.
If you ask me, you guys know right away.
Always at the end of the meal, not as a snack. Okay? You make a note, mental note, note to Karen, note to
Right.
self. Okay, good.
Right.
All right, let's show them how to make it.
Here we go.